Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite EV stocks, Nio Inc, ticker symbol NIO. Before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it. Nio designs, manufactures, and sells electric vehicles in China. The company is also involved in the manufacture of e-powertrain, battery packs, and components, and racing management, technology development, and sales and after-sales management activities. In addition, it offers power solutions for battery charging needs, and other value-added services. The company was formerly known as Next EV Inc. and changed its name to Nio Inc. in July 2017. Nio was founded in 2014 and is headquartered in Shanghai, the People's Republic of China. With the electric vehicles market is projected to reach 26,951,318 units by 2030 from an estimated 3,269,671 units in 2019, at a CAGR of 21.1% during the forecast period. The base year for the report is 2018, and the forecast period is from 2019 to 2030. The electric vehicle market has witnessed rapid evolution with the ongoing developments in automotive sector. Favorable government policies and support in terms of subsidies and grants, tax rebates and other non-financial benefits in the form of carpool lane access and new car registration, specifically in China where ICE engine new car registration are banned in some urban areas. The increasing vehicle range, better availability of charging infrastructure and proactive participation by automotive OEMs would drive the global electric vehicle sales. As of June 2020, Nio had built 135 power swap stations in 59 cities across China. At Nio's power swap stations, every battery pack removed from a vehicle goes through a thorough electrical performance inspection. If no problems are detected, the battery is recharged and prepared for the next user. But if a fault is identified, the battery is taken out of circulation for repairs to ensure the safety of all batteries in the system. Nio offers a lifetime free power swap service to its users. In less than 24 months, they have completed over 500,000 cumulative swaps. This volume level demonstrates the success of Nio's power swapping strategy, setting them apart from Better Place, which never progressed past 10,000 battery swaps before going under. 12 Wall Street analysts have issued ratings and price targets for Nio in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is $30.91. Predicting that the stock has a possible downside of 42.22%. The high price target for Nio is $59 and the low price target is $4. There are currently 1 sell rating, 4 hold ratings and 7 buy ratings for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of buy. Nio last announced its earnings results on November 17, 2020. The reported 14 cents earnings per share for the quarter, beating analysts' consensus estimates of 17 cents by 3 cents. The firm earned $666.60 million during the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $628 million. Nio has generated $1.59 earnings per share over the last year. Nio has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Wednesday, March 17, 2021 based off prior year's report dates. Now let's take a look at the recent news from Nio. As of Monday, January 4, 2021, 1:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Chinese electric car company Nio doubles deliveries in 2020 as local competition ramps up for Tesla. Nio said deliveries more than doubled from a year ago to 43,728 vehicles. The company went public in September 2018 but ran into financial difficulties a year later. Then while China was tackling the coronavirus pandemic in early 2020, Nio secured about $1 billion in financing from state-backed investors. In August, founder William Li said the company expects to resume international expansion plans in the second half of 2021, beginning with Europe. Deliveries have climbed steadily for 5 straight months, topping 7,000 units in December. The startup also plans to reveal its first sedan on Saturday. What's my opinion on Nio? I am very bullish on the EV market as a whole, and have been holding shares of Nio since January 2020. This is a long-term hold for me, 5 to 10 years, and I estimate a price target of $100 plus in 2021 as they continue to grow. I think the battery swap system will play a big role in their success. especially with the used car purchases being allowed to use the swapping system. If you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord for buy and sell updates. You can find the link in the description, as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.